Morning, guys. We're up at the old Jarhead's place. It is the weekend of the 10th and the 11th. And we're gonna go ahead and try and give her some heck today. So, we're gonna do some following. Should be fun. Jarhead's down there. We're gonna follow these trees down around the cabin. So, stay tuned. Boys are getting the ladder up. Jarhead's cleaning up. We're gonna park this out by Darcy's tree. Guys, the day is done. Sweated my butt off today. It is a good one. I'll show you this road over here. So if you can remember day one, this is where we started falling at. Right through here. See the road all the way down. That's where they are now. Skidding the road back and forth. This is the last pass of the day. Looking pretty good. All right, guys, we did it. You guys did it. Skylar did it. Connor did it. Oh, we almost hit that fence. We should pay attention. We're leaving. Yo. Weekend 2, done, did, and cut. We'll see you guys in the next one. I hope you enjoyed some of that. I almost died a time or two. I mean, come on, like, sub, and subscribe already.